there's your baby. Hi, baby. You're with your mommy, huh? Are you a proud mama? Huh? Hi, baby. You want to say hi to the boys and girls, huh? You want to say hi to the boys and girls? Hi. Hi there. You're so cute. Only a couple of weeks old, huh? I don't have anything. Came to see me. I saw you a couple of weeks ago. Yes, I did. Oh my goodness, such a cutie. Yes, I remember you. And you too, yes. Do you guys remember me? Do you remember me? You coming back up to say hi? You coming back up to say hi? Yes. Where's your babies? They took them away now? Just the three moms? Here's the babies on the other side. They separated the mothers from the baby lambs now. Yeah, look at all the baby lambs. There's the lambs. Hey, you coming up to see me? Huh? You hear that noise? What is that? It's a machine over there. I remember when you were a newborn, coming up to see me. Hi, hi. You are such a nice little girl. Yes, you are. This is the little lamb, boys and girls. Oh. Gonna bag in. These lambs are about, I think 6 months old. They're not older than a year, that's for sure. Because they were born during the summertime. Hi, guys. Hi, guys. Yes. Lambs. Lambs. Ooh. You want your nose rubbed? You want your nose rubbed? Do you want your nose rubbed? They all are very friendly, boys and girls, because they've been around boys and girls all their life. Yes, you have. Yes, you've been here at the farm all your life. Yes, you have. Boys and girls, I'll show you some pictures of them when they were babies. They are about 6 months old right now. Ooh, look at that. Did that hurt your ears, that sound? Boys and girls, lambs are known for being such a gentle animal. They are probably the most gentle of all the animals. Sweet and kind, yes, huh? Here's our ram with the female Angora goats. Cock-a-doodle-doo again? Huh? You're a good-looking rooster. Yes, you are. Thank you. The boys and girls love that.